Have you ever opened a bottle of nail polish remover and immediately noticed that sharp, distinct smell that almost burns your nose? That's acetone, a clear, colorless liquid that's surprisingly powerful for something so common. You'll find it in nail salons, paint shops, and laboratories all over the world. But have you ever wondered what it really is? Where it comes from? How it works? And why it's so useful in everything from beauty products to rocket fuel? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of acetone, a simple compound that quietly powers industries, science, and even your everyday life. Let's explore, right here, on History of Simple Things. At its core, acetone is one of the simplest types of organic molecules known as ketones. Its chemical formula is C3H6O, which means it's made up of 3 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms, and 1 oxygen atom. That might not sound like much, but those atoms are arranged in a way that gives acetone some pretty remarkable properties. It's highly volatile, meaning it evaporates very quickly, and it's also a very effective solvent. A liquid that can dissolve many other substances, including oils, fats, plastics, and even some synthetic materials. In fact, acetone is so good at dissolving things that it's one of the most widely used industrial solvents in the world. So where does acetone come from? Today, most of the world's acetone is produced synthetically through a process called the cumene process. This method was developed in the early 20th century and is still the standard way of producing acetone on a large scale. It starts with benzene and propylene, which are chemicals derived from petroleum. These are combined to create cumene, which is then oxidized to form cumene hydroperoxide. That compound is then broken down to produce both acetone and phenol, another important industrial chemical. So yes, that bottle of nail polish remover in your bathroom likely started its life as crude oil deep underground. But before we had modern chemistry and petroleum refineries, acetone was made in a much more natural and somewhat messier way. During World War I, the British actually produced acetone through a fermentation process using a bacterium called Clostridium acidobutylicum.